Episode 9, Cold Brew, Fresh, Simple Syrup, and Starbucks Vanilla Sweet Cream, Cold Brew Copycat, except it's better because the coffee is actually good. Hello, and let's begin with my coffee of choice, my absolute favorite, my son, Stumptown. He's a little more expensive, but God, it's tasty. And it's my newish, fancy grinder that I got online, and it's really nice to have a good grinder. I bought this cold brew set because I'm a sucker. It's by the brand Filtron, and it comes with all the fun accessories that you'll be seeing in this video. First, plug the bottom so nothing leaks, put a filter, and then add the plastic-y majig to keep the coffee elevated. We're going to open one of the cold brew bags. And then grind this entire 12-ounce bag of beans. I like it a medium coarse from this machine. Fold up our bag and make sure that it is leak-proof. We don't want any grounds in our coffee. You can tie it if you want, but folding it and jamming it in there works for me, so that's what I'm doing. Now, we are going to get the water, and for 12 ounces of beans, I use about 7 cups of water. Or if you're using the Filtron setup like me, just fill it to the line. Place it on top, the water will slowly drip down, and that's all you have to do. Throw it in the fridge for 16 hours. When you're ready, pop the bottom plug out, fill the pitcher, and just like that, you are good to go with a cold brew concentrate. You can use the liners and a pitcher, you don't need all this fancy crap. Next up, simple syrup. It's actually so easy, I don't know why people even buy theirs. I have mine in a squeeze bottle that it will show right now. It's 1 cup of water, 1 cup of sugar. Bring to a boil on medium-high heat. Frequently stir, and you are done once the liquid is clear and all the sugar has dissolved. I let it boil a little extra so it reduces and thickens up. And now you are ready. The cold brew is 1 part concentrate to 2 parts water. When I'm really tired, I do 1 to 1. I use the mason jars because they have the lines, fill to the bottom line and then to the top line. Super easy, brainless. And on the left is my knockoff vanilla sweet cream. 1 part heavy cream, 1 part 2% milk, and then some splashes of simple syrup. If you want to make a vanilla simple syrup, throw half of a vanilla bean in the syrup when you're boiling it. Take it out when you're done. And if you really want the Copycat Starbucks, you can buy bottles of the vanilla syrup. You just have to ask, and if they have enough in stock, they will sell them to you. It's about $14 a bottle, but it lasts actually a long time. And you can also ask for a pump if they have enough. And that's it. You can use more or less sweet cream or simple syrup, or take it black. It's your coffee. Do whatever you want. And if you like a certain coffee brand, try it with that. But be warned, not every coffee works with cold brew. Steeping times are 12 hours for light, 16 for medium, 20 for dark. I prefer medium. Sometimes the dark is just way too much. I do recommend that you try a different brand than Starbucks. They burn their beans, so every batch tastes exactly the same. Find a local place that roasts their own beans in-house. It'll be worth it. And that's it for cold brew. There will be a separate video for a hot cup of joe, because it's not as simple as you think. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next week. Stay awake.